Hello, everybody. This is the demo for Project 5 by Group 2, where we are going to demo the shopping app which we have developed for this project, which is supported by a Node.js backend server. So, let's say that whenever a user tries to access this application for the first time, they're going to land on a page showing the list of products that are available for shopping or that are available to be shopped. Each item will display the image of the item, the name, the price, the discount on it, and the price after the discount available on it. Upon clicking a particular item, a page will pop up showing again the item information along with the facility to add or subtract the value of the item to be added into the cart. Now, upon clicking add on cart, the user is going to go back to the login screen because adding an item to a cart is a user specific feature. Similarly, we have disabled all the features which are user specific if the user is not logged in, like go to cart or view previous orders of the user. Now, let's say that the user wants to add pineapple with quantity 2 in the cart. The user will be taken to the login screen where they'll have to enter the email ID and password. So, let's say that we try to log in. Sorry. Now, upon successfully login, we'll return back to the screen where the from where the user was taken to the login screen. So now, if we add this item in the cart will be updated. Let's try that for a few more items. Add to cart. Now, if you view the cart, you'll see that all the items are present in the cart. Now, the items can be added, they can be removed from the cart one by one, or the whole item can be removed from the cart. In addition to that, we also have a feature to empty the cart. Upon clicking on empty cart, the whole cart will be emptied and the user will be brought back to the items list page. Let's say we add some items again to display the items in the cart. Now, one more thing to be seen over here is that since the user does not have any previous orders, upon clicking previous orders, we are going to get a toast saying that there are no previous orders for the user, and we'll come back to the products page. So now looking at the cart, we can see these four items are present in the cart, and the price total will also be displayed, which factors in the discount on every item. So let's say that we try to proceed to pay for these items. We will get a prompt telling us to fill in the address details of the user. Appropriate validations are also given on every field, hence, every field is mandatory, and the phone number field is going to require minimum 10 digits to proceed. So, let's say we remove one, we are going to get an error saying minimum 10 digits are required. So, we'll add this item and we will confirm to pay. Now, upon confirm to pay, we'll get a pop-up which is the drop-in UI provided by Braintree, which is generated after getting a token from which will be generated or after getting a token from the backend. The nouns will be generated using that specific token. So let's say that a user wants to make a payment by credit card. So we will be redirected to this card details UI. Let's try to enter some card information for this uh, user. Let's try to take a Visa card. So upon putting in the number, on putting in the number, we'll be asked to enter an expiration date. So we can enter since this is a testing card, we can enter any expiration date which is after today, and a 3-digit CVV and a postal code. Now, since this is a valid card, a successful payment is going to be made, and the cart is going to be emptied, and will the order will be added in the previous orders of the user. So upon add card, we'll get that the payment was successful. Now, if you try to see your cart, we are going to be bought back here because our cart is now empty. Now, and if you try to see your previous order, this order along with the amount associated with it and the address is shown along with all the items, the prices, and the quantities of those items. Next, we would like to show a faulty payment demo over here. So let's say that we try to proceed to pay this item. Now, as you can see, since we already used this Visa card recently, it is added to our list of recent cards, and they can be directly used for payment. Let's try to add a faulty card, or an invalid card to be precise. So let's give an expiration date, a CVV, and a postal code. And if we try to add this card, we'll get errors saying that the CVV and the postal codes are invalid. Now, uh, if we try to enter a card number which is invalid, it will also give a error saying that the card is invalid. Or if it is this card that we specified earlier, we'll get a CVV and postal code invalid um, error messages. Now, the last thing that we would like to show on our application is the facility for a user to sign up into this application. In order to do that, we first need to log out. So, when a user logs out of the application, it will show a message saying that the logout is successful, and we'll come back to the item list page. Also, now when we try to log in, let's check up the sign up feature. Let's say we enter the first name, last name, the gender, the age, the email. Sorry. Now the every field has the specific validations on it. Like the password has to be minimum 6, maximum 5, maximum 20 characters. The email address has to be unique. The age has to be an integer. The first name and last name have to be present and should be alphabetical values. Otherwise, appropriate error messages will be given. Now, upon signing up this user, the user will be successfully created and logged into the application to use any features available for uh, all the products. So that was about it for our demo of the shopping app. Thank you very much.